Constructing the ice table, we have the dissociation reaction, and we recognize before any of the compound dissolves, we don't have any ion in solution. When S moles dissociate, 3 S moles of calcium ion and 2 S moles of phosphate ion are released. Equilibrium is the initial plus a change, so that's 3S and 2S. Okay, writing our equilibrium constant expression, and we substitute in our values. Ca2 plus has an equilibrium concentration of 3S. We need to raise that to the third power. Our equilibrium concentration of phosphate is 2S, and that has to be raised to the power 2. So we have 3S times 3S times 3S times 2S times 2S. All told, this is 108 times S to the 5th power, and that's what KSP is equal to.